everyone, welcome back to Adorable Kitchen. If today is your first time of coming to this channel, you are welcome. Okay, this is Adorable Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make dried milk at home. I had always wondered how dry milk is made, and that curiosity led me to find out, and today I'm going to share that experience with you. So continue watching till the end. Do not skip even a second. Okay, you don't want to miss out on anything. So let's continue, and I'll show you how you can make your dry milk at home. To make dry milk, the only ingredient you will need is liquid milk. I used whole milk for this. I didn't try it yet with any other type of milk. I just made use of whole milk. So just pour in your liquid milk into your pot using a low heat. Stir continuously, consistently until it boils down. You have to be there all the time. This is not something you have to leave on the fire and go and do something else. No, you have to be there close to it, keeping an eye on it all the time. If not, it is going to get burnt. I observed that heating the milk with a Tefal pot, that is a non-stick pan, made the milk to scorch at the surface of the pot, and it gave out these brown particles from the milk. So I had to transfer it into a stainless steel pan. Even though I was doing this on a low heat, it still scorched at the surface of the pot. So I assumed that was because of the pot I used. So because of that, I transferred it into a stainless steel pan, and that solved the problem. So I'm just saying this so you don't make the same mistake I made, okay? The process of getting this milk to boil down takes quite some time, so because of that I had to bring my computer inside the kitchen. I was doing some work and I was also keeping an eye on the milk, so you can get bored if you don't have anything to do, just standing there and looking at the milk and stirring the milk. So you might want to find something to keep yourself busy while stirring the milk. So once the milk boils down, transfer it into a baking sheet and use a spoon or a spatula to spread it wide apart to make it easier for it to dry. So from time to time, maybe every 2 or 3 hours, just try and break it apart. Use your spoon to turn it and just allow all the parts to be completely broken down to help it to dry faster. Allow it to dry more and stir it from time to time. I left mine on my kitchen counter overnight, and this was after 15 hours it became completely dried. So the next thing is to grind it using your grinder or your blender. So while grinding it, you can add sugar. This is completely optional, but I just added some sugar to mine just to make it a bit sweet. This is the end result. This wasn't difficult to make at all. It was the easiest thing ever, and I really enjoyed making it. And you may want to try this for yourself and see what the end result will be like. I really enjoyed making this dry milk, and it came out so well. I was really astonished. I was amazed that I was able to make dry milk. So thank you so much for watching this video to the very end, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe icon and let's become friends. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.